Welcome to GST Zen software demo. In this video, we will be looking at how you can upload your sales invoices into GST Zen through Tally. This will come of great use if you want to reconcile GSTR1 with your sales invoices. First, please ensure that Tally is up and running in your system and choose the Tally company you want GST Zen to recognize and fetch data from. Now, on your GST Zen account, click on the GST number. On the home page, scroll down to the bulk upload section and click on Upload Sales Register under Tally integration. For GST Zen to be able to connect to your Tally, you would be required to download the Tally connector from here. Once you download the connector, run it. Click on Run Anyway if you see the screen on the Windows Defender and allow access. The Tally connector will now be installed in your computer. You will be able to find the GST Zen icon in your taskbar. If you right click on the icon, you will see these options. Simultaneously, you will also notice that GST Zen has connected with your Tally and recognized the company that was open. Once you have the Tally connector installed, you can click on GST Zen application button to open GST Zen software anytime. If you click on the support button, you will be led to GST Zen's support page. You will find our support phone number and email address here. You may also connect to us through our chat support. Moving back to Tally invoice upload. Once GST Zen displays the Tally company, you can click on check again if you want the application to scan again for a different company. If you wish to continue with the selected company, click on use this company. GST Zen will load all the voucher types in this company and you may choose the voucher type you want to upload. Once you choose the voucher type, you choose the date range. Here I am selecting 2 years data for upload. Now click on import invoices. You can see that the software is processing the data. You can also download this Excel file to view the invoices that will be uploaded. Once GST Zen has tabulated the values, invoice summary will be displayed. You can use this to verify the data before upload begins. Let's download this Excel file. You will see that your sales register is displayed here. You can also use this to verify the invoice details before the upload begins. Now, click on Confirm and Save Entries. GST Zen will begin the process of importing your sales invoices. The upload is now complete. You may view the invoices under GST Zen's sales register. Click here on View Uploaded Entries. This will guide you to the sales register. Here are the invoices that I just uploaded. Thank you for watching.